Hey, how you doing? This is JJ from Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Clearwater Beach today on location. I have this very large car carrier, as you can, well, you probably can't see from the frame. In fact, I'm sure you can't, but it's about 4 feet over my reach. It's quite tall. I've got the camera on a ladder, and I just want to show you how I think out of the box sometimes. Okay, I've got what's basically, I don't know, probably a square footage of doing maybe a dozen cars on this trailer, right? And my client wants it washed, all the black streaks taken out. If you've ever washed one of these white aluminum trailers or an RV or sometimes even boats, you'll know that the aluminum has all this black, funky stuff. I've been doing real well with full strength Super Clean today. Now he wants it sealed, okay? And what I have decided to do was use a just standard mop head. This mop is not very absorbent, the mop head, you know, not super. I'd like it less absorbent if possible. But it allowed me, and I know I'm out of camera here, but I can reach right to the top where the aluminum trim is on the roof. And then, of course, I can get all down in here. And what I want to do is apply a nice coat of OptiSeal, and this is how I do it. So here is Optimum Polymer Technologies, OptiSeal, love this stuff. Let's say in normal conditions, probably a good 4 to 5 months of protection. Okay, great hydrophobic properties, great shine, and I think pretty durable. So I'm doing 4 or 5 sprays, and I'm using this side when I reach, and again, forgive me, I know I'm out of frame, and I am going completely up and down with this mop head, spreading out the OptiSeal. Now this is probably, this area that I'm doing is probably about the roof of an average car, a hood, or maybe a roof. So now I can position this as it's down here where I can, you know, don't have to reach so much, and I have done this kind of surface here. So I've got a surface here for the high spots, 4 or 5 sprays, surface here for the high spots. I turn this, and now I can have a very nice, even application of the OptiClean. Okay, just a little tip, just a little outside of the box. Very easy to replicate for anyone. Anyone can go and get a mop head. And if you really want to, you know, your car collector people, if you're a professional detailer, they've probably got trailers. You may not even know about them. They could be stored somewhere else. They don't talk about them. But you may say, hey, do you transport your collector cars, you know, in a trailer? Is it a covered trailer? Is it aluminum? Is it, you know, a painted trailer? Well, if the answer is that, yes. Oh yeah, I keep that out at the, you know, airport or something where I have my car collection. Well, there you've just found another way to add to your income, another stream. And I'm telling you, I used the Purple Power RV boat concentrate just to get the gunk off. I have put this brush to use today, really scrubbed, and I'll tell you what, it takes several applications. I mean, foaming, brushing, Purple Power sprayed. Sorry about that. Anyway, I was kind of wrapping up. So the long and short of it is that the Purple Power spray, you've got to go over this black material is very tough to get off the white paint and have it look perfect. You've got to then kind of hand wipe with a microfiber down with a little Purple Power, dry it off on the other side of the towel, and you know, you can get results like this. I will show you. Sorry about the camera. Not sure if you can see, I'm on the shady side now, which is nice for me. Actually, I worked both sides of the shade, so you can see all the streaking. I've done the Purple Power concentrate foaming. I've brushed it. I've hosed it all off. I've used the Super Clean by spray bottle, scrubbed that with the brush, hosed it off. It really takes like a third application. I kind of do a little hand wipe down with the microfibers. I've got my big tall ladder here that actually my client let me borrow. It's quite nice. It's one of those really super wide. So anyway, I'm just about getting done with this trailer. I'm working my way to the front. I'm going to be all the way around it. I've done the wheels and tires, and just need to dress those. So anyway, hey, thanks for being with me, and thanks for being part of my channel. Please like, subscribe, hit that button, share to someone you might know who has a big utility trailer. There's some good stuff out there on you know, how to care for them, but a lot of the guys that collect cars are going to want people just to come and get it all handled, get it all cleaned, get it all sealed, and have it look nice for a long time. Thanks for being with me. Appreciate it. Take care. Bye.